Today we're going to talk about how to calculate discounts. Starting with our percent proportion. Part over whole equals percent over 100. What we need to remember in this case is that the part represents the discount amount. The discount amount is the part. The whole is the price of the item. And the percent is our discount percent. So whenever you are replacing your information into your percent proportion, remember these three pieces. We're always looking for which one is the part, the whole, the percent. In this case, the discount amount, how much the actual discount is in money, is your part. The price of the item is your whole, and the discount percent is your percent, obviously. In our first example here, Hillary is buying a pair of pants that are originally priced at $28. How much money will Hillary save if she has a 15% off coupon? It's asking us how much money will Hillary save. What that's asking for is what is the discount? What is the discount? I'm going to set up my proportion. I know I'm finding the discount, which is our part. I know the whole is 28, and I know my percent is 15. Now that we have the proportion set up, we're going to cross multiply. So 100 times x, which is 100x, and 28 times 15, which is 420. Divide by 100 to get rid of that coefficient, and that leads us to x equals 4.20. The reason that we have the 0 on the end here with our decimal is that because we're discussing money. Money always has 2 decimal places. So to answer this, we would say Hillary will save $4.20. Set up the proportion by replacing part, whole, percent. And how do we know which one's which? Obviously the percent is the percent. Original price, or the price of the item, is your whole. And it's asking what is the discount. That means we're looking for the part. Next example, Will bought a shirt that has a 25% discount. Well, automatically right here in our proportion we know is our 25. If the original price tag says 36, how much money is Will saving? Again, that's asking what is the discount. So we're going to do our cross multiplication next. X times 100, 100x. 36 times 25, 900. Divide by our coefficient, x equals 9, or if you wanted to say 9.00, because Will saves $9. Replace your information, do your cross multiplying, and pay attention to what the question is asking, because in this case it's just asking what is the discount. this question is asking a little different. Carlton wanted to buy a new stereo system. If the one he likes is 30% off, how much will he pay if the original price is $65? In this case, the answer we're looking for is not the discount, but we still need to find the discount in order to find how much he will pay. Sometimes you'll hear this referred to, this part right here, as sale price. What is the sale price? Well, to find the sale price, take the original minus the discount. Well, we already know the original is $65. We don't know what the discount is. We've got to find that discount. It's 30% off. Okay, set up your proportion. 30% over 100. X is the discount over the whole, the original, $65. So we cross multiply. 100x equals 1,950. Divide to get rid of the coefficient, and we have x equals 1950. Now we know both the original price and the discount, so we can find the sale price. Remember, make 65 into 0.00 so that we can line up our decimals. And when we do our subtraction and borrowing, we get a sale price of $45.50. So Carlton will pay $45.50 for his new stereo. And this one was different as it asked for essentially the sale price without saying that, which means we find the discount and then subtract it from the original price. Our next question is talking about comparing discounts. Okay, tickets to a game are priced at $150. Would you rather have $20 off or 16 2/3% off? Well, we already know the discount here is $20 off. We've got to find the discount of 16 2/3%. If I'm looking at just the numbers, a lot of people would say they would rather have the $20 off because it is a bigger number. Well, we need to figure out what our 16 2/3% is by setting up and solving a proportion. So when we cross multiply, 100x equals 2,500. Divide by 100 to get rid of that coefficient, and we get a $25 discount. So this is a $25 off, and this is $20 off. We're going to pay $130 after subtracting the discount of $20. And then we're going to be paying we're paying $125 after our discount of $25. Our next problem Sorry guys, I had some issues there with my writing display. Your family dinner costs $50. Would you rather have $10 off or $15 off? Why? Well, we already know that $10 off has a set amount. Well, what's the 15% off? That's when we're going to set up our proportion and figure this out. So we cross multiply. Divide to eliminate that coefficient. And we get a discount of $7.50. Well, the $10 off is more than $7.50, so I would rather have $10 off. $10 off is more than $7.50 off. So the $10 discount is better than 15%. Again, just find the discount, compare the two options. And here we have a question where we have two discounts, a $4 coupon and a 20% off discount. What stores will do is they will apply that dollar off coupon first. So we're going to find out our price after the coupon, which is $20.99. This now becomes our whole, because that is the price that we're finding the discount of 20% on. We're still going to cross multiply, and then we're going to take $20.99 times 20. Divide to get rid of our coefficient, and we get 4.198. Now, since we're dealing with money, money doesn't have 3 decimal places. Anytime that you have money, you have to round to 2 decimal places, or the hundredths place. Since this number afterwards right here is an 8, this is going to go up to $4.20. So I have a discount of $4 and a discount of $4.20. So to figure out the total discount, I'm going to add these two together, which gives an overall discount of $8.20. Remember, when you're finding discounts, the part piece of the proportion represents that discount amount in dollars. A lot of times that's what you're looking for. If it asks you what is the price after the discount, take that discount and subtract. Make sure that your money is always rounded to 2 decimal places, because we're dealing with money. We don't want more than 2 decimal places in our answer.